how to use Tidio chat in WordPress. So, hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Tidio chat in WordPress. So without further ado, let us begin. So, the first thing that we need to do is to install Tidio. So to install Tidio, what you want to do is just go to the left side right here and then just hover your mouse to the very bottom until you see extensions. So just click on that, and then after that what you want to do is just click on add an extension right here, and then we scroll down until we see the search bar right here, and then what you want to do is just to search up for Tidio, and then there you go. So you can see we have the Tidio live chat and AI chatbots right here. So what you want to do is just click on install now, and then there you go. So once it's done installing, there should be the button right here should change into active. So mine is now active, which means that it is now done installing. And then when we look over to the left side right here, when we scroll down, so you can see we will have the Tidio chat installed right here. So what you want to do is just click on that. And then from here, what we want to do now is to create an account. So it says right here that we can create a free account without a credit card required. So what you want to do is to just input your email and password. So just do that. And then once you're done inputting your email and password, just click on get started. And then after that, this message will pop up right here like, well done, you have successfully configured Tidio live chat and flows for your website. So what we need to do now is to open the Tidio panel. So just click on open Tidio panel right there, and then from here Tidio will ask us some questions so that it can customize our experience. So first it will ask you for your name, your job role, and what platform you want to interact with your customers. So just input all of those. So let's say I'll just put like a sample name, and then just choose the job role that best describes on what you do. So let's say a marketing professional, and then from here what you want to do now is to choose what platform you want to interact your customers with. So for example, I will say email, and the next what you want to do is just click on next. Then it will ask you some more questions. So it will ask you what your company industry is, what your company size is, the number of inquiries, how is your website built. So just answer all of these. So let's say I'll just choose services for the company industry. Let's say the company size is around 2 to 50, and then the company inquiries. So let's say like we don't know yet, and how was your website built. So just choose the website. So for me, I'll just choose WordPress, and then just click on next, and then this will be the last page for the question. So it asks you, I want to have Tidio up and running as soon as possible within 1 month, or just playing around, and just choose right here what you are currently using. Where did you learn Tidio, and it will ask you, have you used Tidio before? So just answer these questions. So let's say I'll just use this one, just playing around, and then I'm currently using, let's see, I'm just getting started. And then where did you learn about Tidio? Let's say somebody told me about it. And then have you used Tidio before? Let's say yes, I have explored Tidio a bit. Then after that, once you're done, just click on start. And then from here, it will ask you, where would you like to begin? So you can enable Lyro right here, which is their AI support agent, configure help desk, offer live support, or build flows. Or what you can do is to just discover Tidio on my own. So for me, I'll just discover Tidio on my own. So I'll just click on that, and then there you go. We are now in the homepage of Tidio. So before we start, I want to cover these settings right here, options in Tidio. So first is we have the inbox. So this is where we get all of our messages from Tidio. So if someone chatted with our chatbot in Tidio, it will all go here. And what you can also do is also reply to some of the messages right here if people are messaging in your Tidio bot. Next is we have Libro AI chatbot. So this is the AI chatbot that Tidio uses. So we will set this up later. And the next is we have flows. So we can customize or create our workflows from here. And the next is we have customers. So again, we will get to see our customers right here and their messages. So as of now, there are no visitors on your website right now. And then lastly is we have analytics. So this is where we get to see the analytics of our chats with Tidio. Next is we have integrations right here, so we can install like apps so that we can integrate it here in our Tidio chatbot. And then lastly is we have the settings right here, so we can configure our settings. So we can change the appearance of what our chat will look like and a lot more. So yeah, let's just do this right now. So as you can see, we can customize our chat right here, and as we move to the right, we will get to see a preview of our chat. So from here, we can start by changing like the background color, the welcome image, the online status, the widget position, the button label, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these out. And then once you're done customizing your chat, what you can do now is just click on save, and then there you go, our settings have now been saved. So now what we can do is set up Libro AI chatbot. So what you want to do is again go here to the Libro AI chatbot, and then from here, let's set it up. So just click on setup right here. And then after that, it will ask for the URL of your website. So what you want to do is to just upload the URL of your website. So I'll just input my URL right here. And then once you're done inputting your URLs, just click on upload. And then there you go. Your website content has been successfully added. So what we need to do now is just wait for the status. So right now it is in progress. So let's just wait for this to finish. And then there you go. So as you can see, the status is now changed to used. So what we can do now is just press on this, and then from here we will get to see the pre-added questions that the bot added for our website. But if you want to add more questions with answers, what you want to do is just click on add more knowledge, and then from here we can add our questions manually and then have pre-built answers to our questions. So for example, I'll just click on that. And then let's just add a sample question. So let's say, is this website up and running with a question mark? And then let's just add a simple answer to like yes. Then after adding your question, then answer, what you want to do is just click on save and close. And then there you go. So when I click on that, as you can see, we now have the questions that we have made for our website. And then once you're done, what you want to do to activate it, just click on activate right here, and then it will activate Liro so that it can talk to your customers. So just click on that, and then there you go. It is now active. So as you can see over here, the AI support agent will answer visitor questions using knowledge you provided. So just click on got it. And then after that, once it's activated, you will now be able to see the Liro chatbot in your website. So right now, let's try to simulate a conversation. So to simulate a conversation, what you want to do is just click on simulate right here. And then from here, we can simulate a conversation so that we can test if it's working or not. So there you go. So this is the simulation right here. So just enter your message right here. So just click on hello. Then it will ask you for your email. So just input your email. And then once you put in your email, just click on send. And then there you go. So as you can see, the chatbot replied to our message. And then let's ask the question that we added for our chatbot. Is your website up and running? And then there you go. So as you can see, it replied to our question right here, and it answered yes, the website is up and running. So yeah, so we now know that our questions is working and that our chatbot is working. So yeah, once you're done doing the sample, we can now just exit this out. And then when we go to customers right here, as you can see, we will get to see the customers' messages from our chatbot. So when we click on start chat right here, we'll get to see the messages that our customers sent to the chatbot. And then from here, we can also join the conversation and reply to our customer. And then there you go. So yeah, so when we go to the homepage right here, we will get to see that. As you can see, when we go to our homepage right here, the statistics or the analytics of our chatbot has changed. And then yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Tidio in WordPress.